Hey guys, it's Gigi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make jelly cube slime. But before we get started, don't forget to check out the description box because I have all my usernames for my social media and my new and official slime account. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you are going to need is a sponge, and I'm using a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, but you could use a magic eraser, which are these Japanese sponges, or foam from a neck pillow, or something else like that. So you're going to want to cut up these sponges into tiny pieces, but it's best to cut them into cubes, and then you're going to want to put them off to the side. So now you are going to make a clear slime by mixing clear glue, and you can add in food coloring. It is definitely optional though. And I'm using yellow and I'm mixing that through. And then you are also going to want to use Staflo to activate it, or you could use contact lens solution and baking soda, or if you want to, you can use borax. And then you mix it together until it becomes a slime-like consistency. And I'm adding glitter to mine to make it pop, and so I'm just mixing that in, but that's definitely optional as well. And I just mixed it in all the way, but the glitter kind of faded the yellow, so I'm adding in more food coloring, and I accidentally added way too much, so now it's kind of an orangey yellow. And now I am finally adding in all of the sponge cubes. So you can add in as much as you want or as little as you want. I kind of put my slime in the container and filled up the rim of the container, and yeah. And lastly, I am mixing up all the jelly cubes so that the slime touches every single cube and there is no bare sponge out. So thank you guys for watching my jelly cube slime tutorial, and here is some ASMR of the final product. And if you guys want to watch the full ASMR video, please follow my slime account, which is bubble.b.slimes on Instagram.